See there? Don't turn your back on the waves here, people. Alright. Beautiful landscape of Iceland. And very touristy where I am now, but that's okay, because this place is awesome. And this place, the Black Beach, dangerous sneaker waves. Yes, people have died here. I think 6 people in the last 10 years, because they don't listen. Somebody recently, these sneaker waves will take you out there and you're screwed. Nobody can save you, or will hopefully won't attempt to save you. Hate to say it that way, but you wouldn't survive. This is Iceland. It is July the 2nd. This is their summer. And the temperature is, let's see, 10 degrees for us Americans. It's 51. And I think in that area is where people really get in trouble, because they want those Instagram moments and they are not paying attention, and the sneaker waves will come and take your life for clicks and likes. I am not even gonna get close, because you don't turn your back on these waves out here. But the black sand beach, it is beautiful, and I didn't bring my hiking boots because I didn't plan on coming here. But whatever, it is what it is. I can clean them. They're black and they're leather. So yeah, all right now. So yeah, this is it. A beautiful place. Can you imagine thousands of years ago, people pulling up on their boats to this uninhabited land? There were no indigenous people here. People from Northern Europe, specifically the Viking people. Look at that white person over there climbing up on those rocks close to that water. So stupid. So incredibly stupid.